Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Today I want to show you how I'm going to decorate an Easter cake. Now I have made a white cake and I put a little bit of coconut in it, and y'all know how I do if I make a boxed mix. I use milk instead of water, an extra egg, and butter instead of oil. But in this case, I use duck eggs, and y'all, they are fabulous for baking. So anyway, I've got it baked, and I used the whole egg. I didn't use just the egg white, so it didn't matter to me. Okay, but first we've got to frost it. Now, I've got a tub of cream cheese frosting, and yes, I'm just using a tub. And I am going to, you know what, I think I want to put a little bit of coconut flavoring in this frosting. Let's just stir in, maybe half of a teaspoon. What do you say? It's coconut cake after all, right? So, and now I heated this frosting up. I heated this tub in the microwave for about 20 seconds because I wanted it to be a little bit easier to spread. Y'all saw how I did my chocolate frosting. Now, we're just going to put it right over, and I've got another one if I need it, but I don't think we're going to. It seems like the one tub is plenty on in the sheet pans. Oh, I can just smell that coconut, y'all. I love coconut, and that's my Parker's favorite is coconut. And I think Dalton likes coconut too. Okay, so let's get this frosting spread out as even as we can, because we got some decorating to do. Okay, so we are going to sprinkle this with some sweetened flaked coconut. And you know what? Coconut I don't use when I buy it. I put it in the freezer. And that's how I keep it. So let's put a nice bed, because this is our foundation, starting our foundation for our Easter decorations. Well, actually the frosting was, and now we're adding to it. We're building it up. Okay, so let's see if we think that's enough. Oh, doesn't that look so pretty? Y'all, I think I need a little bit more down here. We've got some nice little goodies to put on this cake. There we go. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so. Yeah, it's starting out nice, isn't it? Okay, so we have some little chicken peeps. Yeah, I used to buy these for my boys when they were growing up, and even after they grew up, I bought them for them. So let's nestle some little chickens down in this corner. We want him to sit up straight though, don't we? Ooh. Can you imagine just being out on the farm? Let's turn him this way. He'll be a little oddball. He's going to be the one that's going to cause some issues. Now we've got some bunny rabbits. So, you know, we love bunny rabbits. We used to have a family of bunny rabbits that came in our yard every year. And, but I haven't seen them in a couple of years. I don't know if the dogs ran them away or what, or having Miss Patchy. Isn't that cute so far? Looky there. We're not done. But if this will work, I tried making a fence with some chocolate, and y'all may be better than I am, but mine broke a little bit. But you know what? I think it's going to be okay. We're on a farm, right? Oops, and seeing I just broke it again. That's okay. Looky there. How cute. That's okay if the fence broke. Fences have to be mended, right? Okay, so But bunnies like carrots, right? And I found the cutest little carrots. Yeah, they're little umbrellas, but that's okay. And we're gonna lay them on here with the bunny rabbits. Just tuck them in here and there. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, and I think that's gonna be good. And I have some the chocolate covered eggs. Let's put a few around the chickens. What do you think? I think it's gonna be so nice. Let's get some pink ones. Okay. But you know what? I was thinking I want my chickens to have some nests. So I've got a little Ziploc bag here. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of our flaked coconut in. We don't need a whole lot. That's probably about half a cup. We may not use all of that. And I've got some food coloring. What color do we want? Let's see, we've got pink. Let's use some green food coloring. Make this a colorful cake, right? And we're gonna put a few, this is gel, so you know gel don't take quite, well, on the coconut, not in the bag. Gel don't take as much as the liquid. Close that up because I don't want it staining my beautiful counters. And I'm gonna close it up. And I'm just gonna work this coconut around. Can you see how it's coloring it already? When Parker was little, we made some cupcakes. We need to make those again. I haven't made them in ages. And I tried to base it off of one that we would buy in the store. We made some chocolate cupcakes. We cut a center out, it made a filling and put inside. Then we colored some coconut and sprinkled it on top. So, and I thought, how cute would that be? Making our Easter decoration. Okay, you know what this reminds me of? You know when you're making the Easter baskets for your kids, the stuff you put down in the bottom, I don't know what you call it, but that's what it reminds me of. Okay, so we need a couple of nests. I am going to, if this will work, I'm going to mound some right here. Let's see if I can turn this around. I know you're having a hard time seeing. Turn that around there, and we're going to mound up some of this coconut. Then I'm going to take my fingers, try to spread it out into the center. Looks like a nest. And we're going to put some of these eggs in here. Isn't that cute? I'm going to make some good pictures for you. Give me a second, because I think I want to put another nest on here. What do you guys think about that? Isn't it cute? I just love it. Now, move that aside. We're done with it. And I have got these cutest little sprinkles here. And they've got little bunny rabbits. And I don't know that you can see them real good. But they got little bunny rabbits and just regular little sprinkles. We're going to put some of these around. I love a cake decorated like this at holidays. And it's so much fun. And y'all, this is stuff you can do with your children, your grandchildren. Kim, y'all hear me talk about my friend Kim. I made one at Halloween that I did like this. And her little granddaughter, she's 4, I think she's 4, she saw it and she said she wanted to make one. So they got the stuff together and they sat down, decorated the cake, and she had a ball. Looky there. Isn't that just beautiful? All right. I don't even want to cut into it. I think it's too pretty to cut into. And, you know, this is something that you can do a couple of days ahead and keep it in your refrigerator. The kids are going to love it. Easter Day, after church, after you worship, get all your kids together, get the grandkids together if you have them, sit them around the table, give them this stuff, and just let them make it. Make a couple of them, or you can make it in a longer sheet pan. It'd be a little thinner cake, and just let them have fun. I think it would be awesome to do that with your kids and the grandkids. But I am so happy with this little cake. I think it's so cute. And I hope you'll try it. You know, send me some pictures of your ideas. If you make one of these, tell me how you would make it. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you'll try this. And I thank you for joining me today, and I hope you'll come back again. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. But I also don't want you to forget, we have 2 cookbooks out. This volume 1 and volume 2. And you can find them on my website, and the link is in the description box below this video. And just click on that link. You'll see each book. There's a tab it says order here. And click on that, and it'll take you to my printer. I don't stock the books here. I don't ship them from here. It's very safe, and they're very quick turnaround. Early in the day, they'll get it out that day. If it's later in the day, it'll go out the next day. So they do ship fast. But anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you'll come back soon. Thanks, everybody.